Budgeting is an essential skill that can help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or planning for retirement. Here is a step-by-step guide to budgeting. 1. Set your financial goals. Before you start budgeting, you need to know what you want to achieve. Set specific and realistic financial goals, such as paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. 2. Track your expenses. Start by tracking your expenses for at least a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. 3. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. This will make it easier to see where you are spending the most money. 4. Determine your income. Calculate your total monthly income, including any salary, bonuses, or other sources of income. 5. Create a budget. Based on your income and expenses, create a budget that reflects your financial goals. Be sure to include savings and debt payments in your budget. 6. Set spending limits. Assign spending limits for each category of expenses in your budget. Make sure your spending limits are realistic and achievable. 7. Monitor your spending. Track your spending throughout the month to ensure that you are sticking to your budget. If you overspend in one category, you may need to adjust your spending in another category to stay within your budget. 8. Review and adjust your budget. Review your budget regularly to see if you need to make any adjustments. You may need to adjust your spending limits or your financial goals if your circumstances change. 9. Use tools and resources. Use budgeting tools and resources such as budgeting apps, financial planners, or online calculators to help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process, and it may take some time to get it right. Be patient and keep working towards your financial goals.